Welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BSP Solution. In today's video, I'm going to explain how we can create third party in Oracle HCM. So what is a third party? Third party is any person or entity outside of your organization. We create third party to process payment to external organization and to people who are not on the payroll. This shows you the decision steps to create third party. First, you have to select the party type, person. If yes, then enter name, address, and contact information. And if no, select the organization and select the party usage code according to your requirement. So when you select the organization under the party type, we have to assign party usage code. These are the party uses code for the third party organization. First is the external payee. External pay used for organization when the other party uses code don't apply. For example, state disbursement unit for child support payments. And next is the payment issuing authority. Payment issuing authority used for organization responsible for issuing instruction for involuntary deduction such as a tax levy on bankruptcy payment order. For example, court, agencies, or government officials. Payment issuing authority don't receive payments. Next is a pension provider. Pension provider used for organization that provide pension administration for employee pension deductions. For example, stockbroker, investment company, benefit administrator, labor union sector. Then next is a professional body. Professional body used for user for organization entrusted with the maintaining oversight of the legislative practices of professional occupations. For example, the American Society for Mechanical Engineering in the US. Next is a bargaining association. Bargaining association used for organization that represent employees in negotiations. Bargaining associations associated with trade unions may receive payment for union fees deducted from an employee's pay. For example, the Airline Pilots Association Internationals. Last is a disability organization used for organization that are authorized to make disability assessment. Disability organization don't receive payments. For example, the Royal National Institute of Blind People. So let's move on to the application. Here under the My Client group, click on the payroll option. And I'm just going to scroll down and click on the third party option. Then click on the create option if you want to create new third party. And if you already created, then search by the party name, party type, or party uses code. Click on the create option for creating a new one. By default, it's selected the organization. And as I previously stated that when you select the organization, you have to fill uses code. Then here I select the professional body and then click on the continue option. In the third-party organization page, the registry ID is automatically populated here. Fill the name. Then if you want to fill the DUNS number, you can fill here. The unique business identification, it is a unique business identification number. If an organization has multiple locations, each location has a unique DUNS number. Then fill the other details like address of the organization. Then select the city or any other address you want. and then fill the address purpose for payment. And if you want to fill the due date, you can fill here. Otherwise, click on the OK. And if you want to fill the contact detail for this organization, you can fill here. If you want to change the type, you can change here. Then select the purpose. Then area code. Fill the phone number. And then click on the save option. And at last, click on the submit option. Your changes were submitted. This third party doesn't have an associated payment method. Do you want to create a payment method now? So we create payment method in next step. Right now, I don't create here the third party payment. So I just click on no. Let's search for the third party which we just created. So this is the third party we just created. So this is how you can create the third party for the organization. So let's move again to create third party as a person. So here when you select the person, you don't have to fill the party uses code. Same as organization, here it already provides the registry ID, then fill the name. And fill the other detail like address and contact as same as the organization. Select the address purpose here and then click on OK. And then click on the submit option. So our changes were submitted, but this third party doesn't have an associated payment method. So we associated in our next video. Here I don't want to create any third party payment here. So I just click on the no. Let's search for the person we just created for third party payment. So this is the person we just created. So this is how we can create a third party, two types, person or organization. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching.